Well, welcome back to class, students. This is Mr. Benaya again from EduVibe Studios 101. We are still on with our polygon constructions. This time, I want to show you two methods used in drawing polygons. But the polygon we are interested in now is an octagon. Like the name suggests, an octagon is a polygon with how many sides? 8 sides. Yes. If you see, we've done pentagon, we've done hexagon, we've also used general method to construct a heptagon. We can also use the general method to construct an octagon, but this time I want to separate it. The octagon we are going to be constructing this time will be side 40 mm. And the method we are going to use is using the 45-degree set square. Please take note. The bigger set square on your pack is the 30-60, while the smaller one, this one, is the 45-degree set square. So this is one we are going to be using to construct the octagon. The octagon side will be 40. So what's the first thing we do? The first thing is we draw a horizontal line like this. I did not measure it. Now on my left, I'll just cut a mark. Let us call it A. Then as usual, I'll take my ruler. I'll measure from point number 0 to point number 4. Oh, it's already there. So let this be the 40. Now I take my intersection here, A, and I cut the mark there. Let that serve as a B. So that's B for us, which is 40. Good. The next thing you want to do is to take your set square, and it's facing my left hand side now at B. I slide to number B. It's always sitting on my T square. I take it to point number B, number A, please, number A. I draw a line like this. I rotate it. I rotate this way, and on my T square again, I slide it to point number B. Can you see that? Good. I rule. Now I also take my compass. This is already 40, no changing it. I put it at A. I cut here, I cut there, put it at B. I repeat the same process. I cut there. Can you see that? Now let us call this point C and D. It is not mandatory, please. I only do that for clearance. Now I get the vertical part of my set square, slide it to the C, sitting on my T square as usual, slide it to C, and I get a vertical line here. I also do the same thing for D, a vertical line at D. I think anybody can do this. Then I get my 40 again. I get my 40 here. I cut. Get my 40 at D. Can you see that? I cut. So let us call this part E and F. Now I take my set square again and change the direction. Now at E, it goes to my right. I just slide there. That's it neatly, and I draw. I rotate it to face my left now at F here. You can see it's facing my left hand side, and there I go. My 40 is still with me. Put it at F, cut there. Put it at E. Can you see that? I cut there. So let us call these 2 points F, G, and H. And with my ruler, let me just join G and H together. There we go. Beautiful. Now let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how to construct an octagon using the set square method. This part is 45 degrees. I hope to see you in the next class. As usual, always share these videos and let your friends have it. If your friends in class don't have it, please make sure you give to them. And if you are a teacher using this video right now, please, you can share with your students so that they can learn at home and do your assignments for you. Always subscribe and like these videos. In our next class, I will show you another thing here about Octagon. I hope to see you then.